Do you see it under his foot? It's Fluffy! Just walking. Just walking. Will I hurry up? Come on! I'm just gonna crash now. Just walking. Just walking. All alone. I'm crashing. I'm getting tired. I think I need a break. Oh well, I'll just go anyway. Oh great, my bum's showing to the audience. Come on, see it out. Meanwhile, water! This looks refreshing. This is fun. Up and away! I'm swimming. I'm swimming. All along. Oh, a fishy! I'll give you something to fish about. Knock out. Crocodile! You got my tail! The crocodile took Fluffy to an unknown place.